Good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. We are going to design a watch night service flyer using our smartphone Pixellab. And guys, if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly stick around. We are going to design everything from scratch, from beginning to the end. And guys, if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly stick around, subscribe, like and share, comment, so that we grow the channel together. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So I'll just go straight to the background and clear everything. Yes, so I'll clear everything, then I'll go and set up my canvas size. Okay, I'll go and set the size, or better still, I'll go to image from gallery, and then I'll pick my image or the background from here. I've already worked on the background, so yes, this is it, either this one or this one. So I'll pick one and then set it up well. Okay, set it up well. I'm choosing over here is 3x4, so this is okay. So I'll click on OK and then check it this way. Better still, we can do something about the background size. Okay, so you have to go and change the size and make here something like 9x7. So this is okay. Then we change here to, let's see, 7, and let's see if it's perfect. Too much. So let's still make changes to it. 3x4 is okay. So 3x4 is okay. So let's go to the layers and then clear off this text away from there. Boom, and we are done with the background. Yes, we are done with the background. So the next thing is that we are going to work with the church logo. First of all, let's type the name first. So edit and then go and type the Roger City Ministry International. So Roger Ministry. Yes, Roger Ministry. Then click or change all to caps and then click on OK and then position it here. Then let's go and change the font. All right, change the font quickly, and then we pick up a font from here. Yes, we pick up a font from here. I think this is okay, so perfect. Now pick up the same font again. It's selected and it didn't select well. Okay, so it's here, Roger City Ministry International. So click on OK and then position it here, and then change the color to color black. All right, so go and change the color quickly. Go and change the color quickly to color black. Okay, so set up the color black, and that's it. Then edit it. Okay, copy it and then edit it, and then type the name over there, national, then click on OK and then position it underneath it this way. Then better still, if it's not okay, you can reduce the size of the text a bit this way and position it that way. Perfect. I think it have to go up a bit, so you use the position key and then send it up. And if it's okay, now let's lock everything. Okay, then you go and pick the logo. Okay, yes, you go and pick the logo. So go to import, then bring the logo. This is the logo I brought, so I'll click on OK, then go to erase color. Yes, some people always go to erase. That one you will not be able to remove the white, so erase color, then click on it this way, then push it this way, and then I think this is okay. So reduce the size this way and then position it at the top very this way, and you can use your position key, okay, to send it up or down or any left and right, and I think this is okay. So I'll lock it and boom, that is it. Then we are going to bring the text. Okay, so go to text, then go to this, edit it, and then type your watch night. Okay, watch night. So watch, and this is okay. I'll change to cap and click on OK, then position it at the side, and we are going to change the font. Okay, so go here and change the font to this font, American Captain. Yes, that is the font, exact font we use. Stretch it or stretch it to increase the size a bit. Perfect this way, and then you can copy it and then edit and then type night, GHT night. Oh no, not might, night. NIGHT, night. Perfect. And then you click on bold and then you position it this way. Now this must go up a bit, and then the night too must be increased. Alright, you realize that they are not the same, so position it this way, and then let's lock all. Okay, then go here and type your service. Alright, so service, capital SER, service, and this is okay. Then you click on it, and then you bring it down and go and change the font. So we just use some italic font over there. Let's see if it's this one. Perfect. And I think this is awesome, but we can go through some of them and see which one will be perfect. And I think this is okay. All right, this is okay. Now let's change the color. Okay, let's change the color to this color. Perfect. And then increase the size, and then you position it underneath it this way. Perfect, 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 perfect. So watch night service, and then we lock it. All right, we lock it. Now, in order not to be mistaken, let's bring the same flyer we are designing here. Okay, so this is the exact flyer we are designing. Okay, and I think after the service we brought a shape, and then we type the theme and then the details over there. Okay, so let me go to the layer, lock it and hide it. Yes, then we brought a shape. Sorry, we brought a shape. So go to shape and then reduce the size this way and position it here. Alright, position it here. Yes, position it here. Then we change the color. Alright, we change the color. So go to the colors and then click it this way, and then go to gradient and we change. Yes, this is the exact color we use. So lock it and then go and type the theme on it. Okay, go and type the theme on it. So edit it and then type the theme. So THEME, and then you click on this side and then write the rest of the details. For all may be one. Okay, assuming that this is the exact theme we are using. Okay, click on it and then reduce, or you can go and change the font first. Alright, go and change the font to a font we used. No, not this one. I think this is okay. Alright, this is the best font we can use for now. Alright, then position it this way or reduce the size. Yes, because it's too big. So reduce the size. Let's go and reduce the size. No. I think we can reduce the size from here. Alright, so then adjust it this way. I think this is awesome now. This is awesome now. This is awesome now. Let's go to the edit, and then we brought up, I think, a Bible quotation also. Yes, so maybe we are using John maybe 10:30, assuming that if this is what we used. Okay, then click on it and then change all to caps again, and then position it there. Now you can scratch it this way. Yes, and then position it. Now let's do more of the text details. So go here and then close it up or open it up this way, and then position it well on the shape we have created. Now let's see if we can change the color for it to be awesome. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So let's change it to this color a bit. No, this is not nice. And let's see black and see. And I think white will be okay. Yeah, white will be okay. Oh, this color is awesome. Perfect. Let's see. I think it has to go up a bit. Alright, so go to position, reduce the size and send it up a bit this way. And I think it has go up again, and this is awesome. Now it's on it exactly. Alright, so then we lock it, already locked. Then we brought the date, time and details. Let's go and see the original flyer. So let me pull it up this way and then unhide it, and realize that we brought the date, which is a Friday, 20th June 2025. Okay, so let's go and hide it again. Okay, then go to edit and then edit this text. So it was Friday 20th June, yeah, 2025. Perfect. Okay, then change all to caps and then reduce the size drastically or change the font. Yes, you can change the font to this font. All right, this font is perfect. This font is perfect. And then reduce the size and position it here. Reduce the size and position it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. And I think the color was still color height. So go to this side and we brought a very thin line. Okay, we brought a very thin line and we changed the color to this color. Perfect. And I think it's awesome. So let's use the position to make it this way. And I think it's awesome. So meaning the date, this need to go to the right, left side a bit. Okay, you need to go to the left side a bit. So use the position and then move it this way. And I think this is awesome. Okay, then I think we brought the time. All right, so now let's go and edit some of the details. So pick this one, that is the date, copy it and go and edit and write your time. So maybe it's 7 p.m. to let's say 9:30 p.m. Okay, so assuming that if this is the time, in case you are designing for your client, make sure you get all this information from the client. Okay, but if you are designing for just your own details or for your own practice, that one you can use any date, any time at all. Yes, that one you are not required to use maybe a convenient date. Just for a purpose of tutorials, you have to use maybe a date and a time which is okay for you. So let's use the position key and then position it at this side, and then we lock it. All right, we lock it. Then you type the location. Yes, that is if it is necessary. All right, if the location is necessary. All right, so let's see the original design. After the date, we brought the venue and then we brought the time each night, and after that we brought up. Yes, so in case if the venue and the other details are relevant to you, just copy any of the text. Okay, so for example, let me copy this one, then I will type the location over there. Let's say maybe community 25 Estate Junction. Okay, then if this is the location, change all to caps and then position it underneath this way. Okay, position it underneath this way, and then if possible you can change the color as well. You can change the color as well. So let me go and change the color and make it this color. Okay, or you can make it this color, but I think this color is okay. Then use the position key to move it this way, and I think it's awesome. So you lock it. Perfect. Now realize that everything is on point. So after that, then we are going to introduce the images. Okay, we are going to introduce the image. So please, you go to the import, okay, and then go and bring your images. Okay, for purpose of tutorial, this is the first image we brought. So we click on it this way, then position it, and then we go to the layers. Now you need to send the image down. Okay, so hold the image, the layer like this one, and send it down. Okay, send it down. Perfect. Then you put it up this way. Perfect. Then you lock it. Okay, then go and bring the next image again. So import and then introduce or bring the same image. Okay, yes, bring the same image. So yeah. Second image, so click on it, then position it this way, and that one too, you need to send it down. Okay, yes, down. So drag it and send it down. Okay, yes, so hold it and then drag it down. Okay, so it should be on top of this image. All right, so perfect. And I think you adjust it well. And you lock it again. Okay, so you lock it again, and let's go through and see. Okay, and I think yes, this is how we're able to design this beautiful chat flyer. And don't worry, every resources that we use, including the background, images, text, everything at all is going to be shared for you to download and practice. If you are a beginner, kindly stick around, stick with me. I have a lot of videos. I have about 400 plus tutorials, including Photoshop and smartphone graphic design, including free tips, quicks and tricks, and how to go about your normal duties as a graphic designer, all the freebies, the resources file, everything I've been sharing. We have another vibrant WhatsApp platform whereby we do communicate and share ideas, in which most of them are not on this channel, but that is where we communicate and then have an active most of the lessons. So please subscribe to the channel, like and share, comment, and let me know how this channel is helping you in any way. Please, your comments are very or highly welcome. Anything that you think I did it and you didn't, or you don't understand, or you want to get the better understanding, comment or leave a comment and let's attend to you and discuss more. If you're a beginner as well, all the resources files are under this description for you to download, practice, and let's share it together on our platform. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. But subscribe, like, share, comment under this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye.